This is our tumble dryer, spinning on its own without the help from anyone. Look, that's it. One of our clients is, I think it's, yeah, look at it. It's just spinning on its own, man. Exactly. Look at it, it's just blowing out, man. There's definitely a ghost up Park Road. I think Steve needs to sort this out. I don't think he likes to be in there. How many things are going to pop out this time? Oh, there comes them all! Oh, I think something else is going to come out.
Why are you guys doing that?
And Holly's just standing here saying stuff while I'm recording. Oh, more things are coming out! Oh, no, it's going back in. Doesn't like it. Oh, no. Oh. Ooh. Come on, get that stuff out.